Hi guys, this video is gonna be my Miniso haul and I want to show you everything that I got from Miniso. This is the bag. Of course, don't judge me. It's a Zara bag because it literally held everything. And I'm gonna show you one by one कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया है. So I hope you guys like grab some snack or something because this video is gonna be a long one. So first off, I got some solid perfumes. This is the one which I got. It's a new launch, I guess, because I haven't seen this in any other Miniso. This is the Secret Eden Solid Perfume in the variant Brilliant Stars. And the top notes are bergamot, pear, mango. Middle notes are peony, rose, and base notes are musk, dry amber, and raspberry. So I'll be carrying this in my bag wherever I go so that I could just quickly apply it. It's like a on the go thing, okay? And there's one more variant which I got. This is Paradise Moonlight. In this, the top notes are orange, pear, strawberry, and red currant. Middle notes are rose, jasmine, violet, and gourmand. Base notes are dry amber, moss, vanilla, and musk. The best part about these are they're very skin friendly. It says it's long lasting, and also I like the fact that it literally looks like a pen, so you can like carry this even in your stationery box slash pouch and it'll just pass off as like stationery, quite literally. Loved it. We'll review it soon on my Insta as well as YouTube, so do check it out. Next, I have some tissues which I got. This one here is the theme Monster Ink. Let me show you one of it. I have two in number. I love these because first of all, they are so handy, can be easily carried in the bag, and it literally mimics a proper tissue box. So you can like remove one by one essa and you don't have to like struggle too much. And once you remove one, the other one kind of pops out. So that way it's really easy, and the best part is it's printed with Monster Inc characters, which I love. If you don't know the movie, it's from the Disney Pixar Monster Inc. You should definitely watch it. It's such a cute and a wholesome movie, and I always look back to it and I really feel like watching it right now as I'm shooting. Anyway, the point is that's the theme for this particular tissue. And then I got these tissues. These ones have like a lion, they have a crocodile, a fish, an elephant, and cute bunnies. I love forest themes, so I love getting these as well. Now these are the normal tissues only, like the small sized ones, and I always carry like a handkerchief and a tissue because both of them really just can be used either way. I have consciously been trying to avoid using much tissues, but मेरे से नहीं होता है because even for like, I don't know, wiping the nose से लेके cleaning dust sometimes, and also just having a mess free surroundings slash if there's a mess or something just in case, that time also I literally rely on tissues because it really helps me. Plus I sweat a lot, so I use quite a good amount of tissues. Okay, please don't judge me on that. It's just something which I personally prefer, and it's always handy, it's always in my bag. Next up, I have some blind boxes. I have one blind box from Stitch, and wait, before I say one, I have two blind boxes from Stitch. I'm so excited to unbox this in front of you guys because Stitch is my favorite, but it doesn't stop there, you guys. I also went on to get another blind box, which is Winnie the Pooh. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I cannot believe I picked up a Winnie the Pooh. Like, who am I? So in the Stitch blind box, okay, you get one of these, and I have already got two of them which you'll be seeing in this video. You've already seen them in my previous videos as well. I'll put up like a clip of what I already have, and these ones are the options which I may get in these blind boxes. And for the Pooh ones, okay, we have these options that I may get. So I really don't know what I will get, so I hope I get like in the Winnie one, I'm hoping I get the Aroy one is one option, or the Piglet one. I would love to have those. But if not for those two, I would love to have either Tigger or Squirrel, maybe even the bunny, whichever. Let's see. I'm like, I don't know, I don't want to like keep too much hopes on it because sometimes what happens is when you like expect too much and then when you get something else you kind of feel disappointed. So first off, let's begin with, I'm very excited to open the Winnie the Pooh one, so let's go. As when I'm unboxing, okay, I'll tell you the story. So when I went to Miniso yesterday, I was not sure if I'd pick the Winnie the Pooh or not because I wasn't even sure that this one is here in India. When I was talking to the cashier, he said that they have come in and there are so many. So I thought, you know what, let me just pick it up and see how it is. So that's the unboxing, you guys. And I am gonna obviously not gonna open the card to see which one is there. I'm gonna directly show it you guys, and I'm gonna show you first before I see it. So I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. So first off, let's open it. Let me place the dabba on the side, okay? A little ASMR. I hope you can hear it. Of course, the mic is here and I'm showing it to the camera, but anyway, I'm so excited. So let's open it. Okay, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna close my eyes and you're gonna see it first. So tell me what it is. Okay, I can feel something. This is the head. Okay, we have this. It's the ring, of course. And then this guy. What is it, guys? I see small ears, so I don't think it's a bunny, of course. I'm opening my eyes now, okay? Oh my god! I got this! I got this squirrel, right? Look! I wanted something like this. Wait. Let me like pick up the dabba because I want to see which one it is. Uh, Guys, I got the squirrel. Oh my god! I'm so happy. I actually wanted the squirrel. I badly wanted the squirrel, of course. Amongst the other things, this is so cute. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It is so pretty. I love it. It's a 10 on 10. It's a freaking 10 on 10. And this color also, okay. If I'm gonna hang this on my bag, which I obviously will, it is not going to, get dirty as quick, which is also why I wanted the brown color one. And I'm so happy I got this. It is so cute. It's a 10 on 10. It is soft. It just feels like I have a kitten at home. It's really soft. And I love the tail, the feet, and then it's got this nut in its hand, and then it's so cute. I love it. So this is the first unbox. Now let's go on to unbox the stitch. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this aside क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती कि बीच में आ जाए. So for stitch, I'm gonna open this box first. Let's go. A little ASMR. Okay, you guys are gonna see this first. So I'm opening the silver foil, little ASMR, just for the effect. I'm sorry I snorted. I'm just so excited. Another ASMR. Okay, time to open, time for the big reveal. Okay, you're gonna see it first. I'm closing my eyes. Okay, guys, what is it? The ears are here, which means it's this way. Oh my god, I really hope it's the green one. I'm like really praying it's the green one. Oh my god! I can't believe it. I can't believe this. I really can't believe this. I swear I was praying it's the green one, and it is green! Look, guys! Oh my god, look at that. It's so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, look. It's so freaking pretty. So I also asked them how I could clean this, because the one which I have been carrying across in my bag everywhere, that one has gotten a little dirty over here, okay? So he said you can like wet a cotton pad and you can like dip it in water and wipe it. That way it gets clean. But other than that, guys, I cannot believe this. I got the green one. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I love it. Okay, so now it's time for the next blind box, which is this one. And I honestly don't mind. Like, I have these options, right? I've already got the purple one, I've got the green one, and I've got the pink one. So I am hoping I get the secret, but I don't want to keep my hopes really too high. I'm okay if I get the secret or if I get the coconut juice one, which is the brown one. So the second one in the first row or the last one, I'd be very happy. So guys, let's unbox. A little more ASMR. Okay, you guys are gonna see it first. What is it? Tell me what it is. Is it the brown one? Or is the secret? Okay, this is the head. The ears, it's got this. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open my eyes now. Is it facing me or is it facing away? Wait. The ears are here. Okay, it's facing you guys. I hope it's the brown one. I don't know what this is, but it is so cute. Wait. Let's check. Okay. I got the brown one. Are you kidding me? I got the brown one! Guys, I swear I have not opened the card, okay? I am literally just opening it in front of you guys from the dabba, and I'm praying कि मुझे वो मिले, and वो ही मिल रहा है मुझे, which is insane. This is pure coconut juice, you guys. Oh my god, just look at it. It is so pretty. Dude, I love this. I am going 100 on my intuition right now. This is crazy. I asked for the green one, I got the green one, and I asked for the brown one, and I got the brown one. This is insane. And do you remember my intuition also went right for this blind box, which was a squirrel, because I was asking for squirrel? This is crazy. And that's it, you guys. That's it for that blind box, for my blind box slash Miniso haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it means the world to me if you could share this with your friends and family. Go explore Miniso, like pick up your blind box if you're into it. The tissues are also great, and the perfume as well. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye and lots of love, you guys.